Hey Year 12, I am just making this so that you can see exactly where I need you to go when we get into the GTAC course. So it's just a bit of a guided tour. When you go in for the Outbreak course that I'd like you to do this week, I need you to obviously log in and then go to Students and Online Courses. Once you've done that, you'll find one of these little things down here, which is actually a diagram of the influenza virus. So if you go straight into Outbreak, strategies to deal with the emergence of new infections, click, and we are in. Okay, so you'll see that many of the slides from this course are included in your booklet. That's so that you've got a little bit more of a permanent record of your learning as you travel through it. So it's not just for fun, obviously. It is very tightly tied to the key knowledge areas that you'll need to know about for your final exam. The PowerPoint is very explicit in how this links to the exam, and I can go through that with you if you'd like to know exactly how it fits in. But for now, what I'd like you to do is just make the absolute most of this course, because it is actually very good. So first things first, it sets you a context, and then we go here to access the course. It says it takes 3 hours, probably won't, but let's see how you go. One thing that some students do miss, actually before that, the table of disease outbreak, what I've done is already printed that into your booklet. So if you click on here, that's what you've got, and that's already in your booklet, so you don't need to worry about that one. Read through the text, annotate as you feel necessary, and then when you get to this little slideshow, you've got to remember to click the next button, because otherwise you're going to miss some of the really important information that you're being asked questions on as you go through. Okay, now I'm not going to show you my answers, because you can actually only do it once and then you can't, and then everything's lost. So that's probably all you need to know. Go through every different section of it. So it will start with how we're going to track the disease, and then the type of disease we think it is, the type of pathogen, how that's identified, and eventually you'll get to rational drug design and how we can design a treatment, an antiviral drug that actually interferes with the viral life cycle. So hopefully you're starting this once you've finished your basic pathogens and investigations that I put in your class notebook. So you've got a basic understanding and you're ready to move on. Now, obviously, for all of your lessons, I'll be here on Teams waiting to support you via the chat or face-to-face, whichever you prefer. And any other time, just shoot me a Teams message or send me an email. Okay, good luck and have fun.